The holidays are quickly approaching. You've got your meats planned out, but what are you going to serve with it? I've got a terrific side dish that's going to pair great with that holiday meal. Brussels sprouts, bacon, agave nectar, and sriracha. A pairing made in heaven. Here we go. This recipe I picked up while visiting Truth Barbecue in Houston, Texas. These Brussels sprouts were on another level, and luckily they were nice enough to share their approach to how they do it. Theirs is a honey sriracha glazed Brussels sprout. I took that idea, I wanted to put my own twist on it, so here's what I came up with. This is roughly a pound's worth of Brussels sprouts. You can adjust this based upon how many people you are feeding. But what we do, cut off the root end, cut them in half, and repeat. Hit them with a light drizzle of olive oil. All right, we're going to preheat the oven, 350 degrees. I'm going to put these in there, keep a watch on them until they're to your doneness, to your liking, and then we'll proceed to the next steps. Next, get yourself some bacon. This is bacon that I used in my hot brown video from a couple of weeks ago. If you haven't seen that, give it a look. So I'm going to cut a nice thick slab off of here. If you want to buy bacon from the store, just buy the thick cut bacon and do what I'm doing here. And then cut it into chunks. Now I'm going to roast this off in my cast iron. If you've ever used cast iron and you have your bacon stick to the pan, what you want to do is start with a cold pan and then let it come up to temp together, the pan and the meat. It will help the meat not to stick. And cook your bacon to your desired level of doneness. I'm going to take this off the heat, and I'm going to wait for the Brussels sprouts to finish, and then we're going to toss it in the bacon grease. And now for the glaze. I'm going to start with some agave nectar. If you want to use honey, that is perfectly fine. I'm measuring with my heart here. Then go in with your sriracha. This is the yellow bird. It's blue agave and sriracha. This is where you can dial in the level of heat you want. So you want it spicier, go heavier. Not quite so spicy, back off on it a little bit. And just to finish it off, just a little bit of soy sauce. Stir it up. Give it a taste. Once your Brussels sprouts are finished, give them a nice toss in the pan with all the bacon grease. Drizzle on the glaze. Toss them around. And you are ready to serve. All right, here it is. This is the only way that I make my Brussels sprouts now. It's got the sweetness from the agave. It's got the little heat kick from the sriracha. The soy sauce brings the saltiness to it. If you notice, I didn't season these Brussels sprouts at all. All of the seasoning comes from the glaze that you make. Not to mention the saltiness from the bacon. If you're looking for something, a new side dish for that holiday meal, give this a shot. It's not going to disappoint. It has become a staple at our holiday dinners. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give me a like, give me a subscribe. And with that, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today. and I'll catch you later.